Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Hilton Go, team member travel program step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type the official Hilton Go login page URL and press enter. Confirm you are on a legitimate Hilton domain before entering any information. Locate the sign-in area on the page. Click into the username field. Enter your Hilton-issued username or Hilton ID exactly as provided. Click into the password field. Type your password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If your device is personal and secure, you may enable the Remember Me option if available. Click the Sign In button to continue. If you are prompted for multi-factor authentication, choose your preferred verification method. Enter the verification code you receive via Authenticator app, SMS, or email. Submit the code to complete the verification step. If you see an error message, recheck your username and password for typos. Make sure caps lock is turned off if your password is case-sensitive. If you forgot your password, select the Forgot Password or Reset Password link. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. Create a strong new password and save it in a secure place. Return to the login page and sign in again with your updated credentials. After signing in, look for the menu or search bar within the Hilton Go portal. Find and select the option labeled Team Member Travel, Go Hilton, or Travel Program, depending on your portal layout. Click the Travel Program link to open the Booking and Benefit area. Review any notices about eligibility, rules, or required confirmations. If asked, accept the terms to proceed into the Team Member Travel section. Verify that your name and team member profile details appear correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser and try again. If you are on a company network, ensure pop-ups are allowed for the site if required. For persistent access issues, contact your property HR, Hilton Help Desk, or the support link on the portal. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.